Hello, hello, hello. I have my coffee, I have my Cocoa Daisy, so it is time to do an unboxing. So this is for the December box, which has all the January stuff in it, and I honestly didn't really see many sneak peeks about this, so I'm going to be kind of surprised by it. I know what the color scheme is, but I didn't really see a whole lot about it because I've been super busy this month, so I haven't really been paying attention. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. All I did was cut the tape. I haven't even opened this yet. Oh, it looks very bright, and oh, look at all the colors. How pretty. It's called New Chapter. I like this card a lot. I know exactly where this is going to go, and I think I know what planner I'm going to use. This is super cute. Okay, so I'm going to take everything out of here, set the box aside, and then we're going to go through all of this. So I get the main planner kit, I get the planner add-on kit, I get the classified, and then my stickers. So I will start, like I always do, with the main planner kit and go through all of this. Oh, I see a really pretty pen. Oh, I don't have any polka dot pens. I don't know if you guys, you probably can't see this, but let's see. Let's see if we can get it in here. This is my growing pen collection. I have so many of them. And I love all of my pens. And so this one is a perfect addition because I do not have a black and white polka dotted pen. And if I wish I had my planner I'm going to use in here because I just picked it up. It's a Webster's, it's a black and white stripe. And now I have black and white polka dots. It's going to be perfect. If I can remember to go grab it, I will, and show it to you guys because I have it sitting out on my cart in the living room where the fire is, the fireplace where it can be nice and warm and play with my planners. But oh my gosh, I love this. Love this. The black, I don't know how well you can see the, let's see if I can get it in, the black charms, gems in there. Love it. Anyway, I'm oogling over a pen. I've got some washi, I've got our die cuts. This is cute. Puffy stickers. I haven't been using a lot of puffy stickers because I find that they don't really go well with the way that I do my planner spreads. But these are super cute. I'm going to find a place for these because I absolutely love it. Especially this one with the little glasses on. He's so cute. This is so cute. All right, so there's that. I'm going to say cute a lot again, guys. Sorry. I can't help it. Ooh! Stuff goes in here. I told you, I didn't see much in the way of the sneaks, so I don't even remember this bag. This is fun. I might do this more often where I don't actually look at the little peeks of what's coming in my kit just so that I can be surprised. This is adorable. It's going to go really well with my planner. Stuff goes in here. Same on the back. And then the inside is the white. Yep. This is cute. All right, let's put this guy over here. Here is my sticky notes. Open up sticky notes. Daily note. I like that. And it has all the days of the week on there. That's cute. That'll come in super handy. And then I'm going to open this real fast. I want to see if it has a repeating, how far out the pattern goes. So it says change is good. Would probably help if I had put my glasses on, which I did not, again. Okay. So I thought that was the end. I even did my nails and I cut them down so they weren't so long anymore. No, I can't find the end. Oh, there it is. That was it. Sorry, guys. All right, let's see. You got this. Change is good. Love this life. So that's as far as it goes. You got this. Change is good and love this life. And then it repeats. And it's got this really cute, speckled, multicolored splatter pattern in the background. I like it. If I had a mat down that this wouldn't stick to and stay, I would just leave it out. But this is paper. Okay, so here is the dory, and I get the Traveler's Notebook sized one, standard. I love all the bright colors. Seems like a really nice way to start the new year, right? Bright and cheery. And if I'm not mistaken, this would go pretty nicely with last January's. So if you have any leftovers from last January, pull them out and see. Unfortunately, I didn't start my subscription till February, so I didn't get the January stuff, but I did get the free January printables. So I'm going to print them out and see if they will match this. Ooh, I love this page. Look at that. That is so cool. Like it. Anyway, there's my guy with the glasses. He's so cute. This is a nice one too. This is a really nice one this month. I love this. Anyway, let's see. These should all just be, and then the back. Oh, I love that too. What a great ending to this book. Good job, Christine. This is awesome. Love this. Okay, so now I'm going to do the die cuts real quick and then I'll open up this pack. Today is going to be a little bit disorganized because I'm right in the middle of wrapping Christmas presents and getting ready, getting packing and getting the new release stuff done. So everything is just like everywhere. If you could see my room, you would be you'd be sad at me because I'm not being clean at all. Look at that. I love the colors. Everything's just a hot mess in here. Not dirty, but, you know, disorganized. All over the place. Working on me. That's cute. Okay, I'm just going to run through these. Your story begins right here. This has got a lot of, like, little quotes in it. I like this. And I'm pretty sure, I haven't checked yet, but they should all be, I think she said they're all going to have the sticky backs from now on. Bowl Crusher. Oh, I like that one. Anyway, I'm just going to make some space and put them all out for you because there are a ton of them. 2021. That's cute. I love all these little pencils with the sayings. Those are going to go really good in my planner. And here's all your tabs. I like that tab. Another tab. More pencils and 2021 resolutions. I don't know if I'm even going to make any because I never stick to them. Maybe I will. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out what my one little word is going to be. Last year it was patience, and oh my gosh, was that tested, right? My patience was like tested every day. So I don't know what my word is going to be this year. Here's your refill. Here's your notepad. A list of the things I will eventually do in no particular order. Like that. I like it's got a grid. I don't know if you can tell, but it's got a grid pattern. It's hard for me to know what actually shows up on this camera. All right, here's your papers. Love that. Oh, I love that too. And now I don't know. There we go again. Trying to figure out which ones I'm going to want on my... I think definitely. Nope, I don't know. Why do they do this? Why can't you put like one plain on one side and one cute on the other? Instead we've got cute and cute. Oh, look at the daisies. Okay, that's... Oh, I like that too. Well, that's going to be a decision. There's the papers, and then we've got our stickers. So I like the fact that they put these back in every single kit. Perfect. Got your tab topper things, night dates, numbers, and all of your this usually, oh, it's on the bottom of this one now. I thought it was on the bottom of this one, but it's on the bottom of this one. Your holidays to pay attention to in January. And then you've got some matching stuff up here. Like I said, I don't have my glasses on or I would read it for you, but that is like the tiniest print ever and I could not see that. No way. So there's the stickers. Now we're going to open up the, well, let's move this off. So this is the planner add-on kit and look at pencil. I'm pretty sure that's a pencil. Whenever there's two, usually one of them is a pencil and this one matches that one. So cute. And so, oh, look at these. I like that it has the black clip. But you've got your little clips in here. I'll open it up just because. Why not? I've got a little pile of plastic over here. I like the little bird. This is nice. These are really cute. I like this. Here is the pencil. It's heavy. I didn't add anything on this month, which I'm kind of, okay, if I could get it out of the box. I don't know why it's stuck. It doesn't want to come out though. There we go. That was a tight fit. Here is the pencil. Oh yeah, definitely. It's heavy. But here they are. Perfect. I love them. Okay, there's those. And then we have more washi. This is just like that. This got little flowers and it's all the same colors. I'm not going to open it. Now more die cuts. And if I could just slide this over here. I could put them out. I love that little coffee cup. Actually, it says hot cocoa. It's not even a coffee cup. More little birds to do. These, I use those all the time. Tea. You got tea and hot cocoa. Little bird. There it is. I use that too. There's that. I like all these little arrows. Coffee. There we go. One for everybody. Plans, more arrows, and weekend banner, and another arrow. A lot of these arrows have like little things on it. Think positive, random thoughts. I'm surprised I can read this. I can't read that one. I think it says appointment, but there's that. And then in this little bag, yes, you can. Why fit in when you were born to stand out? Again with the buttery, love these. Love the way these feel. Colorway. Oh, I love this. Love this. I don't know what I'm going to use it for, but I like it. Here's some numbers and letters, days of the week, and your big journaling card. Like that. That is so cute. Okay, there's all of the stuff that comes in the planner add-on kit. Now we're going to move into the sticker kits. So I get the Hobonichi, the monthly and the weekly. So I'll open that first. Sorry, I have a stuffy nose. My allergies have been just kicking my butt lately. Look at that. That is so bright and cheery. I love that. Hopefully my new hobo gets here before January so that I can put all this in there. The way the mail has been going lately, I'm not so sure it's going to get here in time. Probably would have been better if I had ordered it earlier, but of course I didn't. I always wait till the last minute lately. This is that clear sheet, semi-clear. It's more like a frosted clear. Here's your days of the week. There's all your little, this is cute. I like that. And your boxes, and your checklists, your tracker boxes, and your deco. Oh, this is one. I love this. Like this right here. Makes me happy. Like that. There's all my stickers for my Hobonichi. Here are the stickers. So I get the classic planner sticker kit, and this fits like the Happy Planner size stuff, but you can use them in a, I've used it in the Erin Condren size as well. So here's that frosted sheet again. Lots of washi down here. Like that. Here are all of your full boxes and half boxes. More full boxes and half boxes. Always tons of these. I never go through all of these. I always have a ton of this left over, and I do actually make a conscious effort to try to use these. And here are all your little words, deco, and I like that. More washi. So there is the classic sticker kit. Now I'm going to do the classified. So if you don't want to see this, this is when you probably want to go not be here. So I'm going to give you, while I'm trying to open it, a chance to head out if you don't want to see what is in the classified box. But if you do, here we go. I already see two things that I'm absolutely in love with. If there's one thing out of all the stuff that I get, that if I had to choose to get every month, it would be the classified. Never, ever, ever been disappointed by the classified. We've got a washi, which I love. Look at these guys. These are the little jellies. They are just so cute. Look at the little birds. Look at this one. This little guy. And patches. This time we even get patches. Usually you don't get both, but this time there's even these adorable little patches in here. And these ones have the sticky on the back. Oh my god, I'm in love. I just saw the little owl. What's his name? Harold? Gosh, I can never remember his name. So these have the sticky back on them. So you can, and if you save this, when you pull it off of, if you put it onto a surface that you can get it off of, you just put the sticky back on it and then you can use it again. I've reused quite a few of these, especially when they match another kit. Here's your button with this. Don't worry, I got this. It's super cute. Look at him. Oh, both of them. I'm so excited. One of these days, I swear I'm going to take a picture of that wall and show you. I keep all of these and they're all up on the wall. I love them. Here is one of my favorite sheets with the days of the week. This one's really cute. Don't Stop Me Now. I like this a lot too. Oh, and more birds. More birds. And then you've got your vellum and your acetate. Ooh, you can see that better down here, but look at that splatter pattern. I love that. And then squiggles. Splatter pattern and squiggles. I wish there was, I don't have anything here. Look at that. That is super cute. All right, so that's everything that came in my Cocoa Daisy subscription kit. I hope you guys have a fabulous holiday. I don't think I've got anything else coming before the end of the year, but if I do, I will most definitely post it, other than the new release for the Scrappy Fox shop. So stay tuned for that, and thank you guys so much for stopping by. I really, really, really appreciate it. Hope you guys have a fabulous holiday, and I will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.